This is a Python project made on Tkinter, Python libraries, and MySQL, the database. So this is the front page. In the beneficiary part, you can enter the account name. Then, so basically, this is the beneficiary part, means store owner. He has many options. He can edit the product. If you want to disable or enable the product, he can do like this by just clicking on it, and it will be disabled. Disabled product means that it is out of stock and the customer cannot buy it. If you want to delete the product, he can do it. And if he wants to add a product, he can do it. There is also an option of uploading the image of a product. He can easily upload it using this upload button. Then he can edit the cost price and selling price of the products. It is the unit one. All the products are listed here. He can accordingly do it. The products are listed with the color scheme. So for example, brown is for vegetables, green is for leafy vegetables, fruits is for purple, and red is for exotics. Can see he can easily edit everything he wants. Can also the check and edit stock. He can see the in stock quantity, he can see the sold quantity, and he also, if he wants to add stock, he can easily do it. And by clicking the update button, you can see I add 50 quantity of Avla, and it has been updated to 159 from 109. And he can do like this. Refresh in stock quantity, it means it will basically update to the 0, and refresh sold quantity means it will update to 0. Here, for example, you can see all the orders and the details of the order. You can even search according to the position, status, date, and order ID. Order ID is listed here. So, if, for example, if I want to see a order number with order ID 1000013, you will click a search button and you can see the order IDs here. Then you can fetch the details. If you want to delete it, you can delete order. The position means what is the position, is it dispatched, it is delivered or not. And then the status. For example, the position is delivered here. And if I again search this, now you can see the position has been changed to delivered. Status means paid or not paid. Here the status is not paid. In the view review station, you can see all the reviews provided by the customer. You can see the order number had this problem. Okay, here you can see the total number of 5 stars, 4 star, 3 star. Here accordingly it has been shown the total stars. There is also search bar for the reviews column. Here the review rate is there, customer ID is there, the order number is there, and the date is there. You can also see the specific customer details. So for example, if he wants to see a specific customer detail, he can do it by customer ID. And he can, if you want to provide some refund, he can also do that. So for example, if the refund amount is 60 rupees to the customer ID 1001, he can surely do it. Okay. So for example, the customer ID is 1002 here. Okay, and he has a complaint and I want to provide him a refund. So what he can do it 1002, and I will provide him a refund of around 70 rupees. Then as soon as I do confirm, the refund will be provided. And now if you see the customer ID, now you can see the wallet balance is 70 rupees. And this is the customer ID and all the details of the customer. You can see the total number of orders he has taken till date. All the things are done in this page. Then you can also analyze sales. For example, the date, month, year. You can net profit, profit percentage. ARPO means the average revenue per order, total orders, total selling price, total cost price. You can see all these things according to the date and month. So for example, if you want to see all the details of the month of April, you can just do search, and now all the details of the month of April will come. And here it will be total days, 3, total units sold 181. All these things will be shown here. So average profit of all the entries combined here, and average revenue per order, all the things. Then there is a page for edit scheme also. So if you want to make certain announcements to the customer page or something like that, if you want to provide certain discounts, so if the total cost is 400 rupees, the discount will be 80 rupees and the delivery charges are 20 rupees. So like that, you can do it. This is the page for announcement and schemes. Okay. You can see the last updated on 2021-4/5. So all these things will be latest updated. Then let me take you to the user page. The user page, you are supposed to sign into the user page. So if you do a forgot password, the password will be sent to you on the email, on the registered email. If you want to create a new account, you can surely do it. You can provide the name, the user contact. The user contact should be strictly in numbers and it should have 10 digits. Okay. So right now I'm providing 10 digits to here. The password should be same on all the cases. If a password is different, it won't move ahead. You can see enter user contact correctly. Means there is one more digit left here. And you can see enter password correctly. So now if I do it, it will move ahead. Then there is also a correction check on the email ID. So I can also provide my email ID. I need to provide email ID correctly. The PIN code should be of 6 digits compulsory. Then I can provide anything in the address. Soon as I do confirm, this is the my welcome page for the customer. All the announcements are shown here, which we saw just in the beneficiary page. This is the page for veggies, vegetables that are 69 vegetables are there listed. You can see all those have the specific image provided by the beneficiary. Okay, if he wants to add certain vegetable, he can do it. If you want to increase the quantity, he can do it. Okay, if he can also decrease. This is the final rate of the product. Okay, likewise he can do. This is the leafy vegetables. Okay, now here you can see this is out of stock, so the customer cannot select this, but he can select this. So likewise he can select this. Then this is the page for fruits. You can see the fruits are completely seen here. Okay, all these fruits are mentioned here. Then this is a page for exotics. He can also add exotics if we want, the customer. In the view card session, he can see all the total items, the quantity ordered, and he can see all the products he had listed. This is the bill details, cart amount, 500 flat off, delivery charges, and all those things. If you want to edit the address, you can directly edit it here. This is the mentioned address here. Now, if your area is changed to Ghatkopar, the area will be changed. And now I just need to go to view cart, and then I will scroll down. And now you can see the area has been edited to Ghatkopar. So now I do confirm mail will be sent to you in my registered email ID. And now I will go to my account. Okay. So now in my account, it will show my wallet, the remaining my wallet. If there are certain money in my wallet, then it will automatically be reduced in my bill amount. If I want to edit my profile, I can surely do it. I can only edit the mail ID and the name. The contact and customer ID can't be edited. If I want to edit the address, I can do it. If I want to see my all the orders, you can see this is the order receipt. This is the invoice which is generated. And I can directly check from here, the net amount will be shown while getting the delivered. If I want to review order, I need to strictly review that order only which I've ordered. So for example, you can see enter valid order ID. So the order ID should be the same order which I've previously ordered. So here the order ID is 1000021. So this order ID only I can provide a review, which is 1000021. And I can write good here. And then I confirm, then it will show me a thank you. And this is about a page which is made on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is basically a static website. All those information here. Okay, so this we can do with Python, and all these things we can do with Python. So thank you. You can also see the code here. With the Python code, it's a huge code. Thank you.